Today I'm unboxing and reviewing a new plug-and-play CarPlay and Android Auto wireless adapter from Zhnn Car. Zhnn Car was nice enough to send this product out to me for review, and I don't have to send it back after the review. I will have a link to the product in the video description along with a 10% off coupon code. We'll begin with the unboxing. The product will come in a small box. You'll receive the wireless adapter, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and a manual. As for specs, the adapter supports Bluetooth 4.2 and 5.0, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, iPhone 6 or newer phones, an iOS 10 Plus device, and Android 10 Plus devices. This may not be compatible with all Samsung devices. The adapter has a small form factor. At just over 2 3/8 inches by 2 3/8 inches square and 3/8 inches thick, it can be easily tucked out of the way. For my car, I needed to use the USB-C to USB-A cable. I prepared the adapter for installation by plugging in the cable into the adapter. With the adapter ready for installation, I headed out to my car. CarPlay and Android Auto are two of the best operating systems to use over a vehicle's stock infotainment interface. They make using the phone inside your car a better overall experience. Most vehicles come with one or both of these options, but not all of them allow you to use the system wirelessly. Having the ability to use CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly is a big convenience for most people. You simply get in the car, set your phone on your charging pad or phone holder, and go. The adapter by Zhnn Car is a great option for those looking for a super simple, easy-to-use, inexpensive option to add CarPlay or Android Auto to their vehicle and aren't looking to stream video or use a lot of apps in their car. This is definitely where I'm at. I don't watch movies in my car or need apps other than the ones typically used with CarPlay. I just want to get in my car and have the phone connected to the car and go straight into CarPlay. This adapter by Zhnn does just that. No bells and whistles, just simple and straightforward. When you first connect the adapter to your car, make sure you plug the cable into your vehicle's media USB port. Some vehicles may have multiple USB ports for media and charging. Mine has one for media and one for charging. After plugging in the cable, you should see a light to the left of the cable light up. This light lets you know that the box is on and trying to connect to your phone. As stated earlier, the adapter is so small I could easily put a small piece of double-sided tape on it and attach it to the underside of my dash to hide it, or I could get an extension cable and hide the box in my glove box or center console. Now that the adapter is hooked up and ready to connect to your phone, let's go over how to connect your phone for the first time. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both on. Open up your phone's Bluetooth screen and find the device name Benzicom. This name will also be displayed on your car's screen. Follow the prompts on your phone for pairing and contact permission. Once you've paired your phone with the device, click on CarPlay on your vehicle's infotainment screen. This will complete the setup process. It's a simple process and one that only needs to be done once. Now every time you get into your car, the adapter will automatically connect to your phone. If you're already familiar with CarPlay and Android Auto, then there won't be a learning curve when using the device. Both systems will function the same as they did when you use them wired to your car. Also, all controls will work the same as well, including your steering wheel controls. I made sure to test the speed of the adapter by opening applications quickly and swiping the screen to see how fast everything responded. I found no issues with the responsiveness of the adapter. The adapter allows you to place calls, read texts, play music using Pandora, Apple Music, or Amazon Music, use navigation, see calendar updates, and use other apps supported by CarPlay or Android Auto. It also allows you to use Siri or Google Assistant. After I checked to make sure all apps opened and worked properly, I shut the car off, waited, and turned the car back on to see how fast the system connected to my phone. I was surprised to see just how quickly the system connected and started up. Next, I tested Android Auto. You'll connect your Android device in the same way you connected an Apple device. Turn on your device's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. In the device's Bluetooth screen, search for Benzicom and hit Connect. Next, follow the connection prompts on your device. Once connected, the Android Auto screen should automatically pop up. Android Auto works similarly to CarPlay. Your main icons will be on the left of the screen, navigation will be displayed next, and finally your media will be displayed on the far right. Tapping on the button located at the bottom left corner of the screen will open the apps screen. Everything worked just as smoothly as it did when I went through the CarPlay screens and applications. I really like this product. It's easy to install, connect to, and use. And the best part, it's currently on sale for less than $30. If you're looking for a way to convert your vehicle's wired CarPlay or Android Auto to wireless, look no further. This wireless adapter from Zhnn Car is just what you need. To order your CarPlay Android Auto adapter, please use the link in the video description to place your order. Also, check out the other great products Zhnn Car has to offer. And be sure to use my coupon code to save 10% off your order. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.